Are you ready to embark on a thrilling kayaking journey? In today's video, we'll guide you through the basics, including essential gear, safety tips, and techniques to help you navigate the waters with confidence. So grab your paddle and life jacket, and let's dive into the exciting world of kayaking. We'll start by discussing the different types of kayaks available and help you choose the right one for your needs. Next, we'll talk about how to select the perfect paddle for your kayak and paddling style. Safety first. We'll cover the importance of wearing a life jacket and how to choose the right one for you. From dry bags to sunscreen, we'll go over some additional items you might want to bring along on your kayaking adventure. There are several types of kayaks, each designed for specific purposes and water conditions. Some of the most common types include recreational kayaks. These are designed for casual paddlers and beginners. They are stable, easy to maneuver, and suitable for calm waters like lakes and slow-moving rivers. Touring kayaks, also known as sea kayaks, these are designed for longer trips on open water. They have a sleeker design, better tracking, and more storage space for gear. Whitewater kayaks, built for navigating rapids and fast-moving rivers, these kayaks are shorter, more maneuverable, and have a rounded hull for better stability in turbulent water. Sit-on-top kayaks. These kayaks have an open, molded-in seat on top of the hull, making them easy to get on and off. They are popular for recreational use, fishing, and warm-weather paddling. Inflatable kayaks. Made from durable, puncture-resistant materials, these kayaks can be deflated for easy transport and storage. They are suitable for recreational use and some whitewater conditions. Fishing kayaks. These kayaks are designed specifically for anglers, with features like rod holders, tackle storage, and a stable platform for casting and reeling in fish. Each type of kayak has its own unique features and advantages, so it's essential to choose the right one based on your intended use and the water conditions you'll be paddling in. Next, we'll talk about how to select the perfect paddle for your kayak and paddling style. Selecting the perfect paddle for your kayak and paddling style involves considering several factors, such as paddle length, materials, blade shape, and your personal preferences. Here's a brief guide to help you choose the right paddle. The ideal paddle length depends on your height, the width of your kayak, and your paddling style. Taller paddlers and wider kayaks generally require longer paddles. A high-angle paddling style, where the paddle is held more vertically, also requires a longer paddle compared to a low-angle style. Paddle materials affect weight, durability, and price. Common materials include aluminum, fiberglass, and carbon fiber. Aluminum paddles are affordable and durable but can be heavier. Fiberglass paddles offer a good balance of weight, durability, and cost. Carbon fiber paddles are lightweight and strong but can be more expensive. The shape of the paddle blade affects its performance in the water. Wider blades provide more power for quick acceleration and maneuvering, while narrower blades are better for long-distance paddling and reduced fatigue. Some paddles have adjustable feathering, which allows you to change the angle between the two blades. Feathering can help reduce wind resistance and wrist strain during paddling. Ultimately, the perfect paddle for you will depend on your personal preferences and paddling style. It's essential to try out different paddles to find the one that feels most comfortable and efficient for you. Safety first. We'll cover the importance of wearing a life jacket and how to choose the right one for you. Wearing a life jacket is crucial for ensuring your safety while kayaking or participating in any water-based activities. It provides buoyancy, keeping you afloat in case of an accident or capsize, and can even save your life in challenging conditions or if you're unable to swim. When choosing the right life jacket, consider the following factors. A life jacket should fit snugly without being too tight or restrictive. Make sure to choose the appropriate size based on your body weight and chest measurements. Most life jackets have adjustable straps to help you achieve a secure fit. The life jacket should provide enough buoyancy to keep you afloat in the water. Different life jackets have varying buoyancy levels, so choose one that meets the requirements for your intended activity and water conditions. Life jackets are classified into different types, Type 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, based on their intended use and performance. For kayaking, a Type 3 life jacket is typically recommended, as it offers a good balance of buoyancy and freedom of movement. Look for a life jacket with a design that allows for comfortable paddling and unrestricted arm movement. Some life jackets are specifically designed for kayaking and feature a high back design to accommodate kayak seats. Choose a life jacket with bright colors or reflective elements to increase your visibility in the water, especially in low light conditions or busy waterways. Remember to always wear your life jacket while kayaking and ensure it's properly fastened and adjusted for a secure fit. From dry bags to sunscreen, we'll go over some additional items you might want to bring along on your kayaking adventure. In addition to the essential kayaking gear, there are some additional items you might want to bring along on your kayaking adventure to enhance your experience and ensure your safety. A waterproof dry bag is useful for storing items like your phone, wallet, keys, and extra clothing to keep them dry and protected from water. Bring sunscreen, sunglasses, and a wide-brimmed hat to protect yourself from the sun's harmful rays. Pack some energy bars, fruits, or other snacks, along with plenty of water or a hydration pack to stay fueled and hydrated during your trip. A compact first aid kit with essential supplies like band-aids, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers can come in handy in case of minor injuries. Before heading out on your kayaking trip, it's essential to check the weather and water conditions to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Pay attention to the following factors. A waterproof map, compass, or GPS device can help you navigate unfamiliar waters and stay on course. Check the local weather forecast for the day of your trip, including temperature, wind speed, and the possibility of rain or storms. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest content. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. We can't wait to have you as part of our community. Next, you will learn the techniques on how to recover from a capsize. Don't worry if you capsize, we'll show you how to safely recover and get back in your kayak. Recovering from a capsize while kayaking involves a series of steps to regain control and re-enter your kayak. Here's a brief guide on how to recover. To exit the capsized kayak, lean forward and use your hands to locate and pull the grab loop of your spray skirt. Push the kayak away from you with your legs while keeping your body relaxed. The paddle float re-entry and cowboy scramble are two self-rescue techniques used to recover from a capsize while kayaking. Let me explain both. Paddle float re-entry. Inflate your paddle float and attach it to one end of your paddle. Position yourself at the side of your kayak, near the cockpit. Place the paddle across the kayak's deck, with the paddle float in the water and the other end resting on the opposite side of the kayak. Kick your legs to generate momentum and use your arms to pull yourself onto the kayak, sliding your chest onto the deck. Swing your legs into the cockpit one at a time, while maintaining a firm grip on the paddle and kayak. Once seated, remove the paddle float and secure your spray skirt. The other one is called a cowboy scramble. Kick your legs to generate momentum and use your arms to pull yourself onto the kayak, sliding your chest onto the stern deck. Slowly work your way forward, keeping your body low and centered until you reach the cockpit. Swing your legs into the cockpit one at a time, maintaining balance and control. There are more kayaking techniques, but we have covered the most important ones. Kayaking is an exhilarating outdoor activity that allows you to explore the beauty of nature from a unique perspective. Paddling through calm waters or navigating rapids can be a thrilling experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and invigorated. Whether you're looking for a peaceful escape or an adrenaline rush, kayaking is the perfect way to connect with the great outdoors and enjoy some much-needed time away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. So grab your paddle and hit the water, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more recreational adventures.